Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Make sure battery is at least 50% and you have Wi-Fi or cellular available. Once done, enable location services and grant precise permissions to the GPS app so satellites and network data can be used. This improves fix speed. Next, install or update the map app and any offline map packs. That prevents delays later. Don't skip these steps, because missing one will slow satellite acquisition and routing accuracy. You now move outdoors where the sky is visible, because tall structures block satellite signals. This is why initial fixes often fail indoors. Once outside, open the GPS app and watch for 3-5 satellite locks or a stable accuracy reading. This tells you the device has a reliable fix. While waiting, calibrate the compass and confirm time zone plus distance units so navigation behaves predictably. Make sure maps finish indexing, then perform a quick route search to verify positioning. You finish by running a short test route to confirm turn-by-turn guidance and position stability. This catches routing or voice issues early. If accuracy is poor, update device firmware, reinstall the GPS app, or reset network and location settings, because stale drivers often cause problems. If nothing else works, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset the radios and force a fresh satellite handshake. Finally, make sure offline maps are downloaded.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.